Assalamualaikum. Very good morning to all. How are you? Today we will learn word of speech. Word of speech. In British accent, sometimes we hear this out as word of speech. Word of speech. Okay? And the double meaning of this phrase is word. Word of speech meaning word versus word. Word meaning short. What is the basic difference between word and word of speech? Anybody can you speak? Word expresses just meaning and word of speech expresses function. And the definition of word is when at least one or more than one letters making a meaning is called a word. But when this word is used in a sentence, it is called a word of speech according to its function or according to they are used for. Okay? So every word used in a sentence must be a part of speech. There is no word in sentence which will not be counted as a part of speech. Okay? How many kinds of part of speech are there in English? There are 8 kinds of part of speech. But in our mother tongue, Bangla language, there are only 5 kinds of part of speech. What are called Preposition-সম, Shortland, Awkward, and Clear. But in Arabic language, there are only 3 kinds of part of speech. How many kinds? 3. They are SM, Harf, and Verb. Noun form, clear form, or awkward form. But in English, there are 8 kinds of part of speech. Please speak loudly. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. Number 8, interjection. Now please make meaning. Noun, preposition, pronoun, short pronoun, adjective, preposition, verb, clear, adverb. Clear position, preposition, preposition. There are 3 meanings. Preposition, সম্বোধনসূচক বা পদান্বয়ী অপর। কনজাংশন, সংযোজক বা সমুদ্রয়ী অপর। ইন্টারজেকশন, বিস্ময় ও আবেগসূচক অপর। Now, I am giving you one question from your previous examinations, like light, the light with light, color, light. Can you please tell me the part of speech of all the words used in this sentence? Yeah, light. This is a regarding sentence. This sentence is started by light, expressing command or instruction as verb. The adjective, all articles or counting words, determinants of adjective. This light is object of this verb as noun. With preposition, light, verb, color, adjective, and this light is noun. Another previous question is that what being the words here also part verb because it is also in private sentence giving on instruction and command. Mean pronoun as object of this verb. No is a number and used before a noun it is adjective, and words it is also a noun because it has been turned into plural using s. So what we know? Words. I think you can understand in short about word of speech. I will give details of this content in the inbox of my video. Thank you.